Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Jeff the Land Shark in Marvel Rivals. Jeff is a unique strategist hero, excelling at keeping his teammates healthy and disrupting enemies. He's known for his adorable appearance but packs powerful utility, blending survivability, mobility, and healing. Mastering his abilities will allow you to effectively support your team and turn the tide of battle. We'll cover his core skills, ultimate, and advanced strategies to make you a formidable presence on the battlefield. Jeff's basic attacks are crucial for his support role. His primary fire, Joyful Splash, unleashes a continuous healing stream for allies, even at long range. For offense, Aqua Burst fires a water projectile that damages enemies in an area. His healing bubbles can be deployed to give teammates a quick health and speed boost, and for quick escapes or repositioning, Hide and Seek lets Jeff dive underground, gaining movement speed and healing himself. Jeff's ultimate ability, It's Jeff, is a game changer. He dives, then resurfaces to swallow both enemies and allies. Swallowed enemies take damage while allies are rapidly healed. You can strategically spit out targets, even off the map, for instant eliminations. His passive, Oblivious Cuteness, makes him more durable by reducing critical hit damage. Remember to use Hide and Seek to escape dangerous situations, as it provides self-healing and makes him harder to hit. To play Jeff effectively, always prioritize healing and maintain good positioning, often from the backline. Use Hide and Seek not just for escape, but also for quick flanks or to reach advantageous healing spots. When paired with Groot, Jeff can ride on his shoulders, gaining significant damage reduction and instantly popping healing bubbles. With Luna Snow, his Aqua Burst transforms into frozen spitball, dealing more damage and creating slowing ice fields, adding crowd control to his kit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.